Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make no-bake chocolate fudge. The first ingredient we need to make chocolate fudge is a good quality dark chocolate. I am using 1 cup, which is approximately 175 grams of dark chocolate. I have chopped the chocolate into small pieces and now we transfer them into a microwave safe bowl and melt it for 30 seconds. As you all can see, my chocolate is completely melted. Into this, we add 200 grams of milk maid, which is also known as condensed milk. Into this, we add 1 tablespoon of softened butter. We give this mixture a quick stir until it forms a fudgy texture. As you all can see, the batter is now in a consistency of a fudge. Into this, you all can add your favorite dry fruit. I am adding 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts and giving it a mix. You all can add cranberries or zest. It will completely taste amazing. We'll give this a quick mix. Then now we transfer the batter in a square tin which has been lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly on each side. Now we put this into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. This is out of the fridge after 3 hours. Let's demold it and cut it into pieces. Just look at it. It's so mouth-melting. Your no-bake chocolate fudge is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.